A, an, and the. When to use them correctly. Listen carefully, everyone. Let's break down a, an, and the and how to use them correctly. A is used before words starting with a consonant sound. Examples: a poem starts with the consonant P. A European starts with a vowel letter E but sounds like a consonant U. A horse starts with the consonant H. A university starts with a vowel letter U but sounds like a consonant Y. An is used before words starting with a vowel sound. An honest man starts with the consonant H but it's silent, giving a vowel sound O. An umbrella starts with the vowel U. An ice cream starts with the vowel I. An hour starts with the consonant H, but it's silent, giving a vowel sound O. Rule: use the for specific nouns or something that is unique and one of a kind. The sky, there is only one sky. The weather is unique and specific. The piano refers to a specific object. The sun, there is only one sun.